going on. Aaron Katersky is following that, ABC News correspondent in New York. Aaron, the Trump campaign is we now find out, is paying Michael Cohen's attorneys?
Yeah, if you donated to the Trump campaign during the 2016 election cycle, part of your donation is paying the legal bills of Michael Cohen, the president's personal attorney. We've learned that the Trump campaign has sent more than $200,000 to the law firm that represents Cohen between late 2016 and early 2017. What those payments were for specifically, we don't know, and it does raise a question about potential campaign finance violations. Do
we know that it was to represent Michael Cohen, or could it have been something else related to the campaign?
Well, I suppose in theory, but the only client on this firm's roster that's of any connection is Michael Cohen, and Cohen has claimed not to have played a formal role in the campaign, and so it raises a question. If he didn't play a role, then how could these expenditures be campaign related? So it's a little bit of a gray area that does run the risk of skirting FEC rules.
Is this, now you mentioned the Federal Election Commission, is this against the law? Are there apparently rules allegedly possibly broken with this?
Well, you're not supposed to use campaign donations for personal expenditures, and this, I think, it truly is a gray area, because Cohen, on one hand, claims not to have played a role in the campaign. On the other hand, in theory, he could be under investigation, say in connection with the special counsel, and that would sort of be campaign related. Stormy Daniels would not be. So we just don't know what the nature of the expenditures are, and that would be probably the most telling thing in terms of whether there was an FEC violation or not.
Yeah, $228,000 is more than the $130,000 Michael Cohen said he just paid out of some type of home equity line of credit. Is there a correlation, or is that just way too speculative?
Yeah, I mean, it's speculative. Now, it's not. I don't think it's abject speculation, right? I mean, we know the kind of possibilities here. We know that Cohen had testified before Congress. We know that Cohen has been in the crosshairs of the special counsel. We know that he is also the subject of a separate investigation involving his personal business dealings. We know now from a list of questions that was obtained by the New York Times and confirmed to ABC News that Cohen is the subject of questions that Robert Mueller would like to ask the president. So it's not out of the realm of possibility that this somehow was campaign related, but there's also the possibility that it wasn't, so we're just not sure.
Stay tuned. Aaron Katersky, have a good day. Thanks.
You too, McGraw.